So the presets in FC3 are pretty straightforward, but I want to ensure that you realize you can use them in the reprocessing. Let me explain. Let's say, for example, on median here, I'm going to choose like a radius of 10. Right now, before I run it, if I wanted to, I can hit the plus button down here and I can save it. There it is, median radius of 10. I can choose it as a favorite. I can rename it if I don't want that naming convention. That's fine. Hit save. Okay, and there it is, median 10. Now, this is actually the crucial thing I want to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play on this image. Frequency separation is set up. But not only can I change the sliders around and reprocess, but I can also go through presets. So I can go median 4, hit play, another preset, and it reprocesses it. So let's go ahead and kind of zoom in so we can kind of see what we're doing. The grainy image, and that's okay. But if we look at our low layer, we can see that it's only a 4 pixel radius. We go to high, we can see how, tight it is, right? Now, if I come back here and go median 20 and hit play, it'll again reprocess. Make sure you watch the videos on our reprocessing. And if I were to go to low, you can see how it's completely different. It's now processed at 20. And don't forget, you can also cross over, if you will, into the other blurring operators or the filters, right? So here's surface blur, right? 7 and 15. Let's try that one. It just in the middle of what we're doing. We just hit play now. And there it is. And now if we look at high, we can see it's obviously very tight. You guys can't see that, but there it is. Very, very surface blur-like. So I can always tweak back and forth between presets. So now the presets bank down here will just scroll forever as long as you need. You can always right click one and delete it or change the name, etc. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. Say yes, just to show you what it's like. And that preset bank will always live down here in manual mode. Presets in FC3 are also available for inverted high pass or IHP. Same story here. We can kind of choose our settings and then hit plus, and then we can save it even as a favorite if we want. And there it is. With IHP, we can't reprocess dynamically, but it's pretty much for final touches and final transition smoothing here and there. And we have video on that as well. And as before you change any setting at all, you can hit the plus button, save it. You can choose a favorite or not, hit save. There it is. And of course, if you right click any of them, you can choose to delete it or rename it or anything like that. Again, presets exist for IHP, inverted high pass, and for the manual settings. And at any moment in the top right flyaway menu, you can choose delete all presets if that's something you want to do. Over time, your bank of presets will increase your workflow efficiency in radical ways.